Organizations across the world are going digital, and so does Coal India with implementation of ERP across the subsidiaries. In this learning bite, I will talk about SAP SCM module. HR department is the backbone of any organization. The department has to manage different kinds of data like payroll reports, personnel file, administration file, compliance, and many more. SAP SCM module will help us to automate the core HR and payroll processes. Modern HR system relies more than ever on automation, analytics, and predictive capabilities. Some of the ways SCM module will help have a lasting impact on HR function include consolidation and streamlining the core HR and payroll processes by improving productivity and better return on investment. It will also give us a clear picture of workforce planning. SCM module aims at managing the core process of HR department from hire to retire and simultaneously maintaining the data related to it. It encompasses the basic functionalities needed for an end-to-end human resource management. It includes some modules such as personnel administration, where the employee master data and all actions like promotion, transfer, joining, retirement, etc. is maintained. Organization management, in which organization structure is maintained for reporting purpose. Time management module includes maintenance and evaluation of attendance data, holiday calendar, absence data, leave and shift schedule data. Payroll management includes salary and wage administration of the employees. Apart from this, SCM module includes training module, travel management, retirement benefits, e-separation, employee self-service and manager self-service. Its cross-module integration will also enable the data stored in SCM module to be utilized by all other modules like finance, production, which eliminates duplicate entries and contradictory data sets. Overall, SAP SCM module will help us in digital transformation of HR department from operational activities to a data-driven and automated process. It will enable data reporting and analytics, which will be helpful in implementing HR policies and executing HR strategy of the company. Thank you.